Welcome back to another video, guys. Now before we get started, as always, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit subscribe. We are out here. It's the day after 4th of July. We just got back, spent 4 days at the lake with the new boat, with the camper, and it was awesome. Now I planned to film a ton of stuff with it, but we just relaxed. We didn't film anything. We had a great time on the water, fireworks on the water. I do have some clips of that, so I'm gonna be throwing them in here in just a second. We're out here, we're cleaning the boat. I'm already in the works with Marine Customs to do custom flooring. We're pulling all this nasty carpet out. I'll put a clip somewhere in here of a huge rainstorm that we encountered, and everything just got soaked. So we are doing away with all that carpet. But like I said, we're out here, we're cleaning the boat, and I started taking decals off, and they're coming off super simple. A lot of the safety decals that we took off on the Element, they're coming off on this boat as well. I've already taken 4 off, and now I wanted to pick up the camera, and we're gonna be taking these side decals off since everything is coming off so easy. So I'm gonna prop you up here. We're gonna start tearing into it. They should be already, guys, these are those lines I'm talking about. Don't spend hours of elbow grease scrubbing these. Buy yourself an eraser wheel, run along the edge. Make sure you practice before you use it so you don't. Already, it is that simple. Everybody can do this at home, do it yourself. You saw up close and personal, peeling the decal off. That was in real time. I did not speed it up. It was very quick. Just peel it off, use that eraser wheel to go around the edges. Once again, if you have anything left over in the inside of that decal as well, the eraser wheel will take it straight off. Wipe it down with some Goo Gone, clean that Goo Gone back off, and look at this. We have no fading. It looks a lot newer. So like I said, we're gonna hop over to the other side. We're gonna get it done. If anybody has any questions, make sure you leave them down below. Hope everyone has a good day. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. We'll catch you on the next one. Yeah.